5 minutes to know your rights. Empowering consumers. Navigate, negotiate, win. Kering Anning. Copyright C. 2024 Anning Shah. All rights reserved. Dedication. I am grateful to Professor Manabhai Shah, who championed the cause of consumer and investor rights and protections. He played a pivotal role in bringing India's Consumer Protection Act legislation in the year 1986. He was inspired by the late Mr. Ralph Nader, an activist whom I had the pleasure of meeting in Washington, D.C., of the USA, who revolutionized how consumers cannot be given a raw deal. I express my gratitude to both legends. I also express my gratitude to the multiverse for giving me an abundant mindset and abundance in life. Most importantly, you the reader, a big thank you. Preface. I have been closely involved in monitoring the consumer and investor protection movement since its inception. I wrote for the prestigious Times of India and other leading newspapers as a weekly columnist on the rights of consumers and investors. In addition to that, I was a guest on the live TV show for 3 years, once a week. I have been helping consumers and investors in a voluntary capacity to help them get justice. Kering Anning. Introduction. The Consumer's Dilemma. Problems after purchase. Consumers are pivotal in economy's driving force in the vast marketplace of goods and services. However, their journey does not end at the point of purchase. Many challenges arise after consumers acquire products or services for personal and family use, and these problems can lead to dissatisfaction, frustration, and financial loss. Product quality issues. One of the most common problems consumers face after a purchase is the realization that the product doesn't meet their expectations. This could be due to manufacturing defects, misleading advertisements, or poor craftsmanship. For instance, a consumer might buy an appliance only to discover it malfunctions shortly after use. Such issues not only waste the consumer's time but also undermine trust in the brand. 1. Warranty and service challenges. Warranties are meant to offer peace of mind, but they often become sources of frustration. Consumers may find that warranty terms are ambiguous, service centers are unresponsive, or replacement parts are unavailable. For example, a car owner might face repeated delays when trying to claim a warranty repair, leaving them stranded and inconvenienced. 2. Hidden costs. After making a purchase, consumers often encounter hidden costs that were not apparent during the buying process. These could include maintenance fees, subscription renewals, or unexpected delivery charges. Such surprises can make an initially affordable product significantly more expensive over time. 3. Poor customer support. Customer support plays a critical role in resolving post-purchase issues, but many consumers find themselves stuck in endless loops of automated systems or waiting for hours to speak to a representative. Lack of empathy or ineffective problem resolution can exacerbate their frustration, leaving them with unresolved grievances. 4. Difficulty with returns and refunds. Despite laws and policies meant to protect consumers, many face hurdles when trying to return defective or unsatisfactory products. Retailers may impose stringent return conditions, charge restocking fees, or delay refunds. This becomes particularly problematic for online shoppers who cannot inspect products before purchase. 5. Cybersecurity risks. With the rise of e-commerce, consumers are increasingly exposed to cybersecurity risks. Personal and financial information shared during transactions can be misused, leading to identity theft or fraud. Post-purchase, consumers may discover unauthorized charges or phishing attempts, eroding trust in digital platforms. 6. Psychological impact. Beyond tangible issues, post-purchase problems can have a psychological impact. Consumers may experience regret or dissatisfaction when a product fails to bring the expected value or joy. This, buyer's remorse, can negatively affect their overall shopping experience. Conclusion. While consumers have rights and protections, post-purchase challenges remain pervasive in most parts of the world. Acknowledgements. Consumer and investor rights and protection largely depend on the law of the land and regulatory frameworks. Most are government websites we have used to navigate and empower consumers and investors. Contents. Dedication 3. Preface 4. Introduction 5. Acknowledgements 7. Chapter 1 Daily Essentials 10. Chapter 2 Products 11. Chapter 3 Services 13. Chapter 4 Do's and Don'ts 17. Chapter 5-6 Basic Rights of Consumers 18. Chapter 6 Resources 21. Chapter 7 Foreign Travel 24. About the author 25. Chapter 1 Daily Essentials. The daily essentials most of us use. Unpacked or loose items. Milk, vegetables, foods. Some examples are milk, vegetables, food, beverages, and personal hygiene products like soap, toothpaste, appliances, and clothing. Milk and vegetables are perishables, and they may be unpackaged or loose commodities. Packed items, beverages, toothpaste, soap, napkins. The packaged commodities. They come with labels and are required under the law to provide all the relevant details of the product specifications. Weight, units, quantity, etc. Manufactured date, and expiry date, which is good before a certain date, for milk and food items. If you have any complaints about Food Safety and Standards Authority of India, FSI, https://fsi.gov.in/. The labels will also have the customer care number and email ID. Register if you notice something is not as promised. Also, keep a record of what you communicate to them. However, there may still be a problem with quality. You can complain to the Controller of Legal Metrology * and the Director of Consumer Affairs, which was formerly known as the * Weights and Measures Department. There should be one in your area. The link is if you have any complaints. https://doca.gov.in/or National Consumer Helpline to register your grievance 1915 or toll-free 1,800,114,000 or 1915. Or register